All right, we're taking a look here at the completed project that is Moments Noted. I have inside the classroom in the printable segment this insert to put into this particular album's bookplate. So I wanted to make note of that. This class is being built inside of a 6x8 album, and the cover itself is being built upon with a decoupaged acetate page that is interactive. And it's a layered interactive page. Actually, we've got lots of things happening here to start things off. And then we go into the bulk of the project and the album. And this whole vibe is just inviting us in. There's so many layers that we can see once we've turned the page of the cover. And I'm super excited about that. And I want to invite you to be excited about that as well. To start, we have a clear page that has been built on in the front as well as the back. So everything looks complete. We have then a short page that invites the vellum in. And multiple tags, I'm talking multiple tags, we are layering underneath the tag, we're layering above the tag. We have some really fun, but really simple, but very doable ways to create this embellished cluster. We've got open space, which I think is always really important for our albums. This class has us building inside the pocket page as well as outside the pocket page, and this is one of those examples. It also includes some mixed media elements, as does the whole book, actually, as you will find out as you go through lesson by lesson. Same thing with this. We do finish it on the other side, and I think that's a lot of fun. And there's a lot of reasons for the places and the papers that are in place there. Manila folder is my friend in this class. I have used this in the past, and it has made its way back in, and we are creating a shaped page with manila folders that we DIY in the classroom. Here we have another pocket page that is also very see-through, but at the same time, some really unique pieces are added to the inside as well as the outside. Then this is a page that we do have some stamping that takes place here, and it is one of our art journal technique pages as well. This is a start to finish art journal page. Everything will be explained from beginning to end as to how this page was put together. Of course, I can't help but have either a pocket or an envelope, and there's always an excuse for a tag, right? And so that is part of this class as well. There's a little insert here, and there's a little place to add this in and be able to have this lid to be flat inside of the album. There's a bit of a building in between the pages, and that's what this page is about. Then this lesson here is a two-part, whereas we're making this little half page with some tabs that create amazing layers and amazing interest. And then our final art journal technique page is this one here. You're going to see in the lesson where this inspiration actually came from, and we're going to talk about that and how important I think that is. But you're also going to see in this lesson how I keep things open and kind of fluid, and I make some decisions on the fly while we're in class, which I think is a really important mindset to have when you are crafting art journal type pages. The back of this is open for now, and you'll have to see the completed book to know what I'm putting in there. And then the last page is a bonus lesson, and it is just a classic scrapbook page built on a 6x8 background and then matted to be placed inside this book. So that's a look at Moments Noted.